How to download and install your Steam application on your PC or laptop. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily install the Steam application on your PC or laptop. So first thing, simply head over to any of your browser, and inside your browser search in for the Steam download, and once you search in for the following keyword, you will be redirected to this page where you can see this web page. You can see the first site, that is Steam official application. From here over here you can simply download, click on download option from over here. Once you click on download, it will be automatically downloaded to your browser, and as you can see from over here, once you click on it, your Steam will be downloaded on the right tab of your screen, or if you are using any download manager, it will be downloaded through that. And once you download it, what you want to do is simply click on your setup, that is Steam setup. Let me just show you once again. Steam setup, as you can see, simply once again set it on and click on the languages that you liked. I prefer English, so just click on select next, and as you can see, your installation has been successfully completed. And once you click on finish, you will get the option to run Steam as well. And from over here, asking for updating, let it be. And once all of the previous process has been done, you will be asked to enter your Gmail or password. And from over here, you can simply sign in with your account. If you haven't created your account, you can also create a free account by clicking the link below here. So that is it guys, that's exactly how you can download and install your Steam application on your PC or laptop. So hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.